Outlook, elevation, location. Seriously, this property is supreme. We've got the city over there in the east. Imagine the city lights at night time. Around to the north, there's the beautiful bushland at Bold Park. And as a bonus, over the road, playing fields. It doesn't get much better than this in Mount Claremont. There's no denying this is a 60s house, but it's a solid home, brick and tile. The ceilings are high, there are lots of big rooms, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, so you can move in and enjoy this home as it is, but equally you wouldn't feel terrible if you knocked it over and built your dream home here. It is wonderful, full of so many opportunities. As an agent, I don't often get chances to sell properties as good as this. You know, we're high on the hill here in Mount Claremont. We're so close to City Beach if you want to have a swim there, Swanbourne Beach the other way. Then imagine this for your backdrop, playing fields galore. It's all good here. Seriously, you've got to come and have a look.